In this video I'm going to be making one of these cute Valentine bears, and I use this really soft white polymer clay to make all my figurines. So what I'm going to do with this soft clay is make it into firm, conditioned, coloured clay that's ready to use in less than 5 minutes. And once it's nice and firm, then I'll make the little bear. So this is straight from the box, and as you can see, because it is so soft, it's really easy to condition. And I like to colour the clay before I firm it, but that is an optional step. So I'm just going to mix in the colour just roughly, because the next step, which is mixing in the firming powder, will finish off the colour mixing for me. So I just need a light dusting of this powder. It's called Polyfirm powder, and this is going to make the clay much firmer so I can make my little figurines. So I'm just going to keep rolling and mixing that in. If I'm doing big batches like this, I like to roll it, but you can do it by hand. So this is the second dusting of powder going in now, and this clay is almost done. So in less than 5 minutes it's gone from white soft polymer clay to firm coloured and conditioned. So I always mix up more than I need because I can store it, and if I am using clay that I've had stored, I just condition it easily by hand for a couple of minutes and it's ready to use. And I'm doing this by hand because it's just a smaller piece. It's just easier to roll it if you're doing really large batches of clay. So a couple of dustings of the powder. I think I used 3 for this small piece and just 2 dustings for the large piece, and that's it. That polymer clay is much firmer and ready to start on our little teddy. And I do wear gloves and a mask and protect my eyes when I'm using powder product. So this pink piece of clay is almost ready now, and hopefully you can see it's much firmer, and that took about 3 minutes to change it from white soft clay to a lovely bright pink firm clay. So in under 10 minutes I've got the colours that I want in the amount that I need, and it's all ready to start making our little bear. So here he is, he's all baked and cooled down, and I hope this video has shown how easy firmed polymer clay is to work with, because it does save me an awful lot of time and some money too. So I made him a little friend to keep him company, and if you would like to discover more about Polyfirm powder, all the information is available on the Polymer Clay Therapy channel. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.